McDonald's in Korea and look at everything. Let's try everything. Oh, tastes like America.
Not salted at all.
I like that. Tastes like American fries. We got 3 different sauces. We got sweet and sour, sweet chili. I love the sweet chili in America, Cajun. Sweet chili in America is my favorite McDonald's sauce. Wow, these cups, these McDonald's things are like harder. Like they're not, you can't really squeeze them. Look at this. Sweet chili looks slightly darker, or sweet and sour, sorry. Sweet chili. And coleslaw. Let's try it. Whoa. A lot sweeter. Like what I got you guys. I love mozzarella sticks. Let's try plain first. Ready? Cheese pull. Sweet chili sauce. Try one while it's hot. Is it good? Bulgogi burger with egg. I'll eat the more saucy side. Tastes like teriyaki. Next. Ooh, I'll save this one. I'll show you these. They have chicken tenders. Which sauce? Let's try the Cajun sauce. You guys want to see? Crunchy. Very good. Definitely not something we're missing out in America. But then, almost tastes like when you go to a park or ice skating rink or and get the chicken nuggets, similar to that. Nothing crazy. But this is special. Chicken wing. They have drum and wing. Do you want drum or wing? You want wing? I'll eat the drum. Ready? Try the sweet and sour sauce. Oh, the sweet and sour sauce tastes slightly more tangy and seasoned. Similar texture to the KFC one, but tastes slightly different. Their Shanghai burger presentation. Okay, let's try it. It's interesting, they put everything up here, like the vegetables, but the backside is flat, like almost like it's supposed to be presented this way. This is better than the bulgogi. Favorite thing? The mozzarella sticks. They're so good. I think I just like mozzarella sticks. I'm enjoying my food now. Hi guys.
New hair food is hello. Burger King, chicken fries, we got the chili. It said spicy cheese. We also got Diablo sauce. I know with the sweet chili sauce. Ooh. Whoa. Do you think this is how their fries are in America? Like this potato-y? Oh my god, try that. It's just spicy. I don't know if I like the flavor. Oh, that is good. This is like gochujang. I got corn salad. Interesting. The most appealing. I just love corn. Interesting spoon. Okay. The Whopper, it's a special Whopper. The Whopper, you can't see it. Show you Whopper, but do you see it has shrimp in it? Look at it, it has shrimp. It tastes like a cafeteria burger, like Eric said, but slightly better.
that chicken from Popeyes.
This is this.
Much as a banana.
I like that it's actually fresh.
They don't have hot sauce at Popeyes. Chicken. Hot. Hot. I don't even know what a price is. Tastes like regular fried chicken. Nothing special. Oh.
What? I think the aid was separated. Regulated.
I'm here for it. You know, I'll try
The
it.
sauce is dripping from the bottom.
And the sandwich is good. It's juicier than
It is
American.
juicier, right? It's very moist.
Moist.
50% off.
Banana cream pie. A banana chocolate pie. Oh yeah.